Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick look at what is going to happen with Windows till the end of this year. We know that there are going to be a lot of changes next year. We are examining that, or exactly the rumors actually, and even some of the screenshots that Microsoft has been showing us of different services and products is showing that there is going to be a big user interface change, rounded edges and windows. Fonts will be hopefully unified across the board because right now, whether you're on a menu, on another menu, or on the settings app, there's different fonts and different sizes of these characters everywhere. So there needs to be, of course, a change for that. And that means that we will, of course, need to see this next year. But until this happens next year, this year, December is going to be a quiet month. Like we said previously, there's going to be only a Patch Tuesday security update, nothing else, compared to what we usually have with bug fixes in a month. And that's due to the fact that everything is quieting down for the Christmas holiday season. But that don't be fooled, there is preparation slowly to next year's Windows 10 changes that some say could be optional. That means that you could actually get that update with the new start menu and new user interface, and you might actually have a choice of saying, yes, I want it, or no, I don't, which is interesting. So the month of December will have one Patch Tuesday update that will probably help a lot, and a lot of people will be happy to know that there's only one update to do rather than, having several updates. And that will make it easier for everybody. For the rest, you know what? Windows 10 is now going into 2021. In July of next year, Windows 10 will have reached six years. And we're still wondering what 2021 will bring, as we will get possibly one update. Some say there's just one update because the first half of 2021 will be Windows 10 X, which is a different operating system. It's still Windows 10 but a slimmed down version. I think we're at the turning point. I mean, Windows 10 is extremely popular. I mean, more than 1 billion. We didn't have a number for a while now, but it's more than 1 billion machines. We still, of course, see that as we're going to reach 1 year, there's almost 1/5 of all PCs still running Windows 7, and most of them are in the enterprise versions because the enterprise is where upgrading to a new version of Windows is a more difficult task. But one thing for sure is that we are going to have some changes, maybe not as many changes. Let's hope that we get only one update a year. That, I think, would be a nice change. Probably what everybody wants. Although, actually, right now, the fact that this year, if we look back, we had the May 2020 update, with that was a big feature update. And then you have the October 2020 update, which is a small cumulative update that doesn't take a lot of time to install for people that are already upgraded to version 2004. So this year is gone by now with its 2 updates. It's interesting how Microsoft wants to still say that those cumulative updates that you get at the end of the year are feature updates, when in reality they're not feature updates. They're really minor tweaks of the interface and minor changes within the software, but they still call them 2 updates a year. A lot of people are asking me about that 18-month cycle. If we would have only one version next year, is that 18-month cycle of upgrades still valid? Nothing has changed for now. Every version of Windows 10 you get has 18 months of support. So if you are, for example, on the October 2020 update, your 18-month ends at the first half of 2022. If you're on the May 2020 update, it's going to be at the end of 2021. So it's going to be in time for the next version of Windows, possibly, if there's only one, because it's going to be on the second half of next year. So interesting to see that we're kind of in a quiet time now for the next month and a half. But things could be quite interesting next year, that's for sure. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.